Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a plan with me and it is for March the 12th through to the 18th. I'm using this kit from Bee's Sticker Addiction. I'm pretty sure it's another Australian store, so I'll quickly show you what's in the kit. I'm pretty sure this is the Hello Gorgeous kit. So it's got these beautiful full boxes which match the green for March. What else we got? We got the functional page which has all your date covers, and I love all these scripts. I love using these. The ombre heart checklist, the weekly habit tracker. We've got the bottom washi and some other washi, your headers and little things, and some more washi here, and then half boxes, these bubble quarter boxes and some other quarter boxes. So really nice kit. I'll just show you quickly what I've done for the past few weeks. So this was kind of a leftover spread. I used a lot of just leftover stickers, but with the same color theme. That one. Also used, I think this was a Stickeriffic, just a 2-page kit, so it's a little bit more white space but a lot of color. This is the March monthly spread. It's actually a printable from Plannerology Studio. So yeah, like that one. And then I've also got these 2 weeks I used another printable kit from Papermate Planner. So this was kind of the first week, using all the sidebar and everything, and it had like this really cool full box, double box, full box thing. And this was the other one, kind of like the leftovers of the kit. So it was quite a massive kit. So yeah, really enjoyed using those ones and getting out my silhouette. Still have to work out the cut settings, but yeah. Okay, so if you would like to see me plan my week, I am going to do it as a speed through, just because I only have an hour or so without the boys, so I just want to get this done so that I can get on to cleaning my house. So if you'd like to watch me put down my plans for the week, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so here we go. Here's my spread. There are a few gaps as usual, and I haven't filled any of the to-do lists in much because I'll do that like the day before or just before that, leading more into the week. I'm really happy with it. I like the colors, the blue and the green, even though they shouldn't be seen unless there's a color in between, but luckily they've got some pink. So yeah, really happy with this kit. It was really nice to use. The paper is so nice. I'm not sure if it's like a vinyl or something, but yeah, really nice to use. I'll show you what I've got left. So I've got some half boxes and bubble boxes, a lot of quarter boxes. Got one full box left, only a few. I pretty much used all the ombre heart checklists. Got a bit of washi left over. A lot of the little things, some headers, some more washi. Got all the like the open checklists. I've got a few like script things here which I'm gonna use. I just don't want to put them in case it's in the wrong spot. We've got some flags here and some icons, and that's it. So the kit is a fairly decent kit, so I really like that one, and the paper is so nice and smooth. I just love touching it. So yeah, that is my spread for this week. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button just down below. It's really easy. You just go click and it's awesome. Also hit the bell button if you like to see what other things I put up. I usually upload at least once a week. I'm trying to get back on schedule. I've just had a family member pass away, so I have been out of touch for a little bit, but we're getting back into it. I'm going to actually try and focus more on my organization and meal planning and cleaning and stuff, because I feel that people like watching them more than like my makeup videos or even my plan with me videos. But I'll still probably upload a plan with me for those that still like to watch those. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.